This squirrel is an absolute champion. I just saw him like fight off two big crows to keep them from like getting his food. And he just keeps like jumping up. And now I do believe he's about to try to chase his little girlfriend. So there's that. I'm just amused by nature and just how, and squirrels in general, how fucking just acrobatic and nimble that they are. So my backyard is currently Wonderland for nature, especially this corner right here. They all love Sorry, I'm just checking out the bird in the little birdhouse. I do believe that is a female robin? Or female cardinal? Probably female cardinal. And some female blue jays. And little sparrows. And here's our huge ass nest that has been in that tree for like, I don't know how long, for like years. And it is still ginormous. So, yeah, nature.